Nothing's latest product, the Phone 3, has found itself in the spotlight, and not in the way it hoped. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. The London-based tech brand, known for its eye-catching, transparent design and bold marketing, is now under fire after users discovered that in-store demo units were showcasing stock images instead of real photos taken by the device. The bashing began when customers noticed a series of stunning images like a spiral staircase, a sleek headlight, and a person looking out of the window on demo units in retail stores. Now, the funny thing is that these weren't even shot from the Nothing Phone 3, but stock photos. One image was even traced back to a 2023 Instagram post taken with a Fujifilm X-H2S, which is a high-end camera. Social media backlash followed quickly, with users accusing the company of misleading. Nothing's co-founder Akis Evangelidis responded on X to clarify the situation. He even admitted that the demo units were loaded with placeholder images 4 months before launch, with plans to swap them out for actual Phone 3 camera samples closer to release. However, some units were never updated, leading to the confusion and controversy. Interesting. Evangelidis called the oversight a learning moment and confirmed that an internal investigation is now underway. He also acknowledged that the company should have used older Nothing Phone images as placeholders so that at least those would have been genuine. While the Phone 3 still boasts promising hardware and camera upgrades, this incident serves as a reminder that for tech brands, people want transparency about the products they're buying. Do you agree with this? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the tech drama.